Wait, what are you doing with my car? Wait a minute.
Yours doesn't have a nice look.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dub Club. It's Izzy again. And today, I'm pretty much shooting a video of this. This mess right here is a complete wiring harness for a MK4. I pried it out in 30-degree temperature, but I'm going to have to put it into this MK4. Mainly because this used to be an automatic, and now it is a manual, as most of you know. The problem is the clutch doesn't work. So if I press the clutch in, the ECU does not recognize it. I've had a lot of issues with the Speedo. One of the videos was actually me fixing it, but then it went bad again and I don't know what the issue is. So I thought, you know what, might as well just replace the whole harness, so I don't have to splice any wires to get the speed sensor to work. So that's what I'm doing over this weekend. Hopefully we can crack out this weekend. It's gonna be a very time-consuming project, but in the end it's gonna be a major improvement for this car. It's not gonna have any codes, any issues. It's just gonna work like a manual car, because at the end it's gonna be a straight up manual car. So this harness isn't like many other harnesses that I've seen. It goes all the way from the headlights, through the dash, through the body, to the trunk. A lot of other cars, they're separated, so I thought this process would be easier, but it's not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Or get back to it. We already took out some of the seats, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and get to wrenching. For those of you who are unaware, my car was broken into, and here's some glass that I wasn't able to remove, I guess. Yeah. Thieves took my radio. I didn't even think that still happened, but Parma, Ohio is a bad area, I guess. Okay, guys, so we have finished the wiring on the Jedi. Okay, so we finished it up a while back. This is like...
They're already running the same codes as the assembly.
Yeah. Don't look over there.
There's nothing going.
We got everything in there. I got the seats. Oh god. Yeah, so we got everything in there. It's not fully hooked up. I still gotta hook up a bunch of stuff, but it works.
The harness is in.
The harness is in. The car starts.
You don't start it.
I don't want to start it up because this is going to be part of the exhaust video. Alright, I'll start it up so I can show you guys. So the funny thing is, I did all of this whole harness thing, so that I can get the clutch sensor to actually work and, you know, work properly with this car, because it used to be an automatic body harness. And that absolutely did nothing. Like, my clutch sensor still doesn't work. So we're just gonna have to do some hood rat stuff to the clutch. We're gonna wire it up straight to the ECU. It's just gonna have to happen. We've tried a different control module, like different comfort control module. We've tried finding any shorts, anything like that, any missing wires, check all the fuses, relays.
So there's just no signal going to the switch.
Yeah.
When you press the button, it doesn't send anything to the ECU because there's nothing on the wires.
Yeah, so we're just gonna kind of splice into the brake pedal, and it should work. So yeah, but yeah, I'll show you that it starts. Oh, yeah, and we gotta get a new engine. This is I blame Taras for this one because he told me to loosen up the terminals. The terminals popped off from the back, but hold them down. Hold them down.
All right.
Yeah, they're popped off. Hold them down. As you can see, car works. Turn signals, everything. Everything works. As you saw, the brake light wasn't working and the airbag light was on. The 99 harness has a different ABS sensor and a different
ABS module and
module. Sorry, but I don't need those where I'm going.
Thing ain't gonna see snow and it's not gonna see accidents.
Yeah, you're gonna promise that? You promise me?
Better not.
No, I'll try not to. But yeah,
I put way too much work in that plate up there, bro.
yeah, everything works. I'm happy about it. We're trying to figure out this window right here at the moment, to be honest. It fell down and now it won't. It fell down and I can't get up.
Life alert.
Yeah, we need some life alert for this window. But we're trying to figure out
We'll
Volkswagen
figure
made
it out.
super
It's stupid. It's like got
stupid.
programming and all. It's got like a million wires going to the motor. If it was a DSM, you wouldn't have this issue. The motor would just
but
blow.
then again, I still have my. Never mind. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for more stuff. Not just for Volkswagens.
We got more. We got other stuff. So if you don't like Volkswagens, follow us to other stuff.
Please like Volkswagen, please. But yeah, see you guys.
Peace, y'all.